Uncle, hi.
Hi.
Mummy, Daddy. Daddy. Hello. Hi, Kumba. Good morning. Hi, Sonia. Good morning. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕೇಳಿ.
Tripod तो नहीं है।
No, it's a monopod. ನಾನು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈಪಾಡ್ ಎತ್ಕೊ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ತಾತ ಹಾಯ್.
Hello.
ಪಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಯ್.
Hello, say hi.
ಹಾಯ್.
Say hi, Auntie. हाँ ठीक है।
Now we are going to Taj Mahal. Good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel Suraksha Davies. So now we are in Taj Mahal entry allidivi. So I think ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 500 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ 6 o'clock in the morning. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆ ಅಂತ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ 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 ಕಮ್ 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 ಕಮ್. ಹಿಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲೇನೆ?
Is it possible to adjust 4%?
ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಆಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನು? Oh, there are so many monkeys. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚನ್ನಪಟ್ಟಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಾಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಅಯೋಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಸುಟ್ಟು ಬಾಲ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೂ. ಸೊ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ವಾಕ್. So this is our complete family and team. Okay, wheelchair na assist ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, including
तो शुगर मिलता है यहाँ से। ये देता है 10 रुपये का एक शुगर, मतलब एक पे 10 रुपये का। और पानी की बोतल अगर चाहिए तो पानी की बोतल भी यू कैन फ्रॉम हियर 10 रुपीज़ का बोतल मिलता है पानी। क्योंकि अंदर केवल
Welcome to the west gate of Taj Mahal. It is.
शुगर सर वहाँ सब पटों मिलते हैं। हाँ फ्रॉम हेयर हाँ everybody.
So we are entering now. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಮತ್ತೆ. Security, everyone are going towards the monument and this one of the wonder in the 7 wonders of the world, that is Taj Mahal. Yes, we will see in few seconds a beautiful sunrise. A beautiful sunrise. Oh no, what is this? That is not.
This is the main entrance. This is also called Royal Gate. And you can see domes on the top. 11 small domes on this side, 11 that side. 22 domes. To prove you, it took 22 years to complete Taj Mahal.
Oh.
Taj Mahal started in 1631 and it was completed in 1653. So one dome telling us about 1 year. 22 years, 20,000 workers worked here and they used 1,000 elephants almost to bring building material. This is the sandstone, red sandstone from Fatehpur Sikri, about 50 kilometers from Agra. Marble, the best marble in India, from Rajasthan near Jaipur, 350 kilometers. And 28 different kinds of stone and metals from all over the world. Precious, semi-precious both. Precious you cannot see because all gone, but semi-precious you can see. And no need to tell you that how hard it was for them, because you already saw yesterday how they work on the marble. This is all stone work, inlay work. Even the black letters, stone. So Shah Jahan built this Taj Mahal for his beautiful wife after her death to prove a love between them. And he allowed public only once in a year in those days, on every death anniversary of his wife, which is celebrated here. These rooms, same rooms on that gate, they were used by some of his guests. And rooms all around the corners were used as the shops by the workers who worked here. Rest of the year, they were resting room for workers and engineers. Nobody lived here. Remember this, Taj Mahal is a mausoleum. So you cannot enter in mausoleum before sunrise and you cannot stay after sunset. Same timing now, sunrise to sunset. So people come here after sunrise and then they stay here up to sunset. After sunset, no entry. So Taj Mahal is famous because of this beautiful work and because its symmetry. It's very balanced monument. It's so perfect that you can fold it from the center. So we can go there. I can show you a line. That is the center line, and from there you can take pictures also because they are photographer also here. You can take some photographers. Balanced monument. From here you can fold Taj Mahal. From here you can divide Taj Mahal into two equal halves. And Queen, she was buried exactly on this line inside. When we go inside, you can see her. I can show you the same line inside on a marble scheme.
This is going to be you're never going to see it again.
Yes, we can't come again and again to here, right? Come, let's see Taj Mahal. So how beautiful it is. No, it's not a temple.
He's like, no.
A beautiful monument. It's one of the 7 wonders. It's too wide at Pantayana. Yes, but I think it's in construction. The best part of Taj Mahal, the wonder anta helidre, but ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ crowd. Even though early morning ಬಂದ್ರು ಸಹ it's too crowdy here. ಹಂಗಾಗಿ see ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ you can't capture the good images. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು. Is looking there?
Yes.
Mama Dada is looking beautiful. You want to do vlogging with this camera?
मैडम सेम पोज
Is it good? The camera is good?
एक हाथ पीछे
See, Kumba is taking pictures here.
दोनों कंधे पर हाथ रखें
Go.
स्माइल
Go
Only
talk to
madam.
Mimi here. Come, take Mimi and talk, Mimi. Mimi, I'm doing vlog. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು? Taj Mahal. Tell Taj Mahal.
I don't know what.
It's a 7th wonder.
A very interesting story. Okay, so the royal gate we already saw, the main gate. Then this garden. This is a garden of paradise. There are 16 gardens here total. 8 on this side where we are sitting, 8 on the other side. 16 gardens with 4 water channels. No water now, but normally they remain full with water. These 4 water channels at 4 sides are 4 rivers of paradise. For honey, for milk, for fruits and for fresh water. Shah Jahan, the king who built this Taj Mahal, he wanted to show all of us that his beautiful wife buried there in our paradise. So this is a paradise. We all are walking in a paradise, and that platform where we take photograph is a central tank from where river begin in paradise. So this is a copy of paradise. That building is a mosque, and I think you know that Muslim people live anywhere in this world. They always worship towards Mecca. So from here, Mecca in this direction, so all mosques facing to west from here. When that mosque was completed, that corner was empty, and mosque was not possible there. But he wanted everything balanced. For symmetry, they make same building there and they name it Royal Guest House. It was used by some royal ladies in those days because ladies were not allowed to go there in those days. So ladies gather there and they sing holy songs from there. Now that building is closed. Mosque is also closed for tourists. Mosque open only on Friday because Friday Taj Mahal remain closed for tourists. It open in afternoon for 2 hours for the local Muslims who live near Taj, not for other Muslims from other cities, other countries. And this is the main mausoleum. So Taj Mahal, this white mausoleum is the main mausoleum, and 4 towers at 4 corners are not straight. They all are tilted out. So when you go back, you can look from there again. All 4 towers are 4 degrees out by him to protect it from the earthquake. Shah Jahan was a very smart man. He himself was an architect. So he thought that if there will be any earthquake in future and if they are straight, they can fall on the building, so it till the towers 4 degrees out. Another important thing, you can see a metal pinnacle top of a dome. The height of that metal pinnacle is 10 meters. And they use 400 kg gold in that pinnacle.
Oh.
All metal was gold. Remember, all metals they use here were gold. Now, in that pinnacle they use 400 kg gold, and that gold was stolen by East India Company in 1720. And they rebuilt of a brass. So all in those days. So this is all brass now. Now, the most difficult part of the monument is dome, the big dome. The dome height 36 meters, and they have no cranes or lifts to send marble there. So they make ramps from there to 1.5 kilometers. And they use bullocks and camel carts only, no elephants, to carry marble there. And they use marble pieces there. Marble pieces are so big that 2 persons can sleep on one piece of marble. Each piece of marble there is so big. And all marble was cut in round shape. Cutting marble in this shape was very difficult, is very difficult. How they cut marble in this shape, we don't know. And the another important thing, that this dome is a double dome. First they make a small dome, look my hand please. They make a small dome and then they put one more dome like a cap on it.
Oh.
And they left a gap between 2 domes. That gap make a vacuum, and that vacuum help this dome for support. So it not fall down. So when you go inside, you can see smaller dome, because from inside Taj Mahal height, the dome height is 38 meters, but from here it's 76 meters, double. So dome was the most difficult part. This white building is a square, 60 meter by 60 meter, and it took 17 years alone to complete this white building out of 22 years. Total land 580 meter, total breadth 300 meter, and you can see the floor designs. All the floor designs are original designs, and they are carpet. And these carpet changes, the design changes to different floors. What I mean to tell you that Shah Jahan decorated every part of this monument. He left no stone unturned for this building. The question is why? Because he was a very rich king, and he had many wives according to some historian, but majority of historians wrote that 3 wives he had. She was his third wife and the last. 2 other wives whom he married, those marriage done by him because of his father order, who was a king that time, and his father asked his son to marry other ladies so he can make good relation with those kings. Shah Jahan's all love, all children from her. Her father was a prime minister and he was the son of a king. When they married to each other, 1612, Shah Jahan married to her, and he gave her a title of Mumtaz Mahal. Mumtaz Mahal was not her real name. Her real name was Arjuman Bano Begum. But because she was very beautiful, and it was very common in the royal families, they give title to their wives, so he gave her a title of Mumtaz. Mumtaz means best, and Mahal means palace. They enjoyed their married life for 18 years. In 18 years, Mumtaz Mahal gave birth to 14 children. Out of 14, 7 died on birth, only 7 survived. Out of 7, first 2 were daughters, Jahanara, Roshanara. 2 elder daughters, very dear to father, very close to father. Then 4 boys, Dara, Shuza, Aurangzeb, Murad, and then last daughter, Doharara Begum. 1628, he became a king, 5th Mughal emperor. Very powerful and very rich people they were. Agra was their capital that time. 1630, she gave birth to her 14th child and she fell ill. And doctors tried very hard to cure her, but they were not able to cure her. And then doctors declared that she can die any moment. So when this news reached to king, he started crying because he loved his wife very much. He started crying and started saying that I will also die. After my wife, if my wife die, I will also die. So she thought that if my husband will also die, then who will take care of children? That's why she asked a promise from him. Now listen very carefully, because she was very intelligent lady. She was not only very beautiful, she was very intelligent lady also. She knew that my husband can die anytime after my death. That's why she asked a promise of this Taj Mahal from him. And she asked this him because she wanted to give him some time to recover. And she knew that he loved or he liked to make buildings. Shah Jahan famous for his architecture. So she thought that once I give my husband some job, some work to be completed, it can keep him busy for few years. She never thought of this, that he can do this for her. It can give some time to him to recover from her loss, and he can be normal again, and he can marry again and live a happy life.
So moral of the story, keep husbands busy.
Exactly. She asked a promise from him that where he bury her, he should make a building over her grave. Shah Jahan, with a very heavy heart, he promised her because he was very sad. And what we believe that he never planned this at that moment, that he can do this for her. Just randomly, he promised her with a very heavy heart, yes, I can do, of course. And then she closed her eyes, she died. In 1630, in a childbirth, when she was 39 years old. He was 40 years old. It took 1 year for him, almost 1 year, to start this monument. And they preserved her body like a mummy for 1 year. Because according to religion, if you bury someone, you cannot bring the body out from the ground. So it took 1 year for him. He selected this place because many times tourists ask us why Taj Mahal was built here. Taj Mahal was built here because of some reason. The most important reason is that he lived in Agra Fort and he wanted to see it from there every time. When we go on the back side, you can see Agra Fort from there. On the banks of River Yamuna, transportation for building material, water available 24 hours free of cost. And this was a very nice angle and beautiful garden already. These are the reasons why they select this place. They bury her there in 1631 and then they make this building. Now imagine, they have no tape, no measuring instrument. They just bury her and then they make everything around her, keeping her in a center. Because she was in the center. Money, man and material, no problem for them. They bring stones from all over the world. I think you saw yesterday there, that place. Shah Jahan never married again after her death. I read in some book that he even never used any jewelry and color clothes after her death. He was so sad by the death of his beautiful wife that within a year he started to look like an old man. He left, I told you already, he spent everything for this and that make his son angry. Third son, Aurangzeb, was very close to father, but Aurangzeb thought that my father is wasting money unnecessary for this. But he was not very powerful, so he kept shut. 1631, the monument started by him, completed in 1653. Taj Mahal was completed in 1653 because many times tourists ask us that whether he completed this or not. Yes, he completed it and he visited regularly 5 years more. And mostly they use River Yamuna. By boating he came here. In 1658 he fell ill. And his 4 sons started to fight among them to become a king because they all grown up and they all have their small army. Aurangzeb was victorious. Aurangzeb defeated all his 3 brothers and killed them. And then he defeated his father also and made him prisoner in Agra Fort. That room where Shah Jahan was kept as a prisoner is the main attraction in Agra Fort for 8 years. Shah Jahan was very sad because he was not hoping that from his that son, but he was kept there as a prisoner. And the most saddest part of the story is that he never allowed to visit this place again for 8 years.
And
That
he
was a
died
torture.
in the prison?
Yes, he can watch Taj Mahal from there.
But he was not.
But he
never
was
been there. He wrote letter to his son that I want to see my wife grave, I want to go there, but his son never allowed him because he was so angry. He said, this is your punishment. Stay here, you can see, but you cannot go. For 8 years. Only his daughter, Janara, the elder daughter, was allowed to look after him. Question.
So some people, some books suggest that he killed one of his brother and sent his head to...
Yes, elder brother, Dara, he's right. Aurangzeb killed his elder brother because Shah Jahan wanted Dara to be next king. So he killed Dara very brutally. He tied him behind the elephant naked and left the elephant in the street of Delhi. And he declared that, look, this person want to be a king, become your king, but he's not deserve to be a king. Then he cut his head and gifted his head to his father in a jail. That this
Oh
is
my
your,
God.
this is your king. So yeah, this is true story,
So
sir.
did he defeat his brothers before arresting or
No, he defeated his brother before, and he kept him in a jail, and then he defeated his father, and then he made him prisoner. Then he gifted his elder brother's head. So Shahjahan was very sad.
Aurangzeb, I guess.
He wanted to come here. He never been here. In 1666, he closed his eyes. He was 76 years old. He died because of urine infection. Now after his death, it was his daughter's wish to bury father also here. She
Okay.
was very close to father, and she thought that's how I can make my father and mother
Together.
together again. It took a lot of efforts for her to convince Aurangzeb, younger brother, who loved sister very much, but he was not ready to bury father here in the beginning. But somehow she was able to convince him that bury father there, because punishment is over. Father died, requesting you 80 years, you never allow him to be there. Now he deserved to be there. Then he allowed her, and then they bring Shahjahan body here and bury him close to the Mumtaz Mahal body. And that's how this story comes to an end. So what happened? Mumtaz Mahal, I told you in the beginning that she was in the center. Center of the dome exactly. Shahjahan grave is not in the center.
It is allowed inside now?
Yeah, we can.
You can go. Now that is very interesting because Shahjahan, the king of his standard, who himself was an architect and who takes special care that everything balanced. His own grave off center, I cannot believe easily. It proves us that he never wanted him to bury here. So the story born, I think you heard about it, that he was planning to make a black Taj Mahal for him. Have you ever heard this?
What?
Black Taj Mahal. Yesterday we saw one of the Taj Mahal.
wanted to make.
No,
Shahjahan, like white for his wife here,
I see.
and black across the river Yamuna on
Yesterday
the
we
other
saw
side.
that black stone
So
also.
he have this plan in his mind from the beginning that once I make white marble for my wife, black I can make for myself. On the other side, the reflection of this in river Yamuna. But the money and the time he spent here was too much, and black marble not available in India in a large quantity like white marble. That's why he was, and maybe his son got angry from him
Because of that.
we don't know what's the truth. But his grave is not in the center there.
Okay.
And logic behind it is that when they bury her, queen, they bury her in this way. Her head on river side, her legs on that side. She was like this. And according to Muslim religion, when husband bury near wife, only you can bury husband on the right hand side of a wife. So she was in the center, like this is the center. Now they cannot move her grave. So they bury Shahjahan close to her here.
So he's not in the center.
He's not in the center. You can notice when you go there,
So
you can
could
notice.
not do vertical because
Huh,
of
no,
the
they cannot.
tradition.
On the top of the head, bottom of the leg, no. Not on the left hand, only on the right hand side. This is the rule according to religion. So his grave is not in the center. His grave is high and bigger than her grave, you can see, but not in the center. Because he never wanted him to bury here. This is one thing. The second important thing is that two graves are there, one for queen, one for king, and two grave sections, original and duplicate. Original grave on that level, where people are walking, and duplicate there. Now I can tell you the reason why. When Shahjahan buried Mumtaz Mahal, he made two graves. Original, where she was actually buried, and they make tomb, and then second above that tomb, 20 feet above that tomb. Duplicate grave for the public, and they don't want anybody to walk over the real graves in future. They thought it can be possible that people can walk over the real graves. To avoid that walking, they make second grave. Always. When they bury him in 1666, same for him. Original near original and duplicate near duplicate. Original graves closed for tourists for last 30 years. Because they are in the basements. Original graves now open only once in a year. For
On
3
her
days.
death anniversary.
Oh yes, exactly, ma'am. On the death anniversary of Shahjahan. But the days keep changing every year according to Islamic calendar. And 3 days it open, free tickets, no tickets for tourists, free, but 1,000 times more busy than this.
Oh my
And you
god.
cannot come here, you cannot sit like this, you cannot take photograph like this because they start, government stop people here, make a queue, up to there, zigzag, it takes around 4 to 5 hours to reach there. So this is the story of this ultimate example of love. If you want to describe Taj Mahal in one line, symbol of love. And that's why this monument is very special, because you cannot compare this with other monuments in this world. Shahjahan spent all of his money almost, and he make his most favorite son his enemy. Aurangzeb was his favorite son in the beginning. Yes, father and son have a very good relation. because of this Taj Mahal relation not remain good, and son becomes so much angry with his father. So Shah Jahan paid a very heavy price for this Taj Mahal. We can go inside, we can see the graves of king and the queen, and when you look up you can see the small dome, and you can also notice, because I don't think I have that much time to explain you all this thing inside, you can see a beautiful screen around the graves. That screen is a masterpiece, because that screen is the shape of a crown.
Oh.
Mumtaz Mahal always used a crown made of gold, diamond, rubies, emerald, like that. Shah Jahan took that crown and a marble crown around her grave, and that you can see, you cannot believe on your eyes, because a fantastic inlay work you can see there. Very, very fine inlay work. You can see one lotus flower, this much big lotus flower, and 64 stones they fix in one flower. Right. So amazing art. We can see, we can go there. It can take another 20-30 minutes to finish this part.
Yeah.
Then we can come back and we can go back to our hotel.
Hotel.
Now we can go there, we can cover our shoes from there. One more thing I want to tell you from here. Taj Mahal looks same from its own four sides. Impossible for anyone to make a difference unless they can read Arabic. The black letter change. This is calligraphy.
Calligraphy.
And this calligraphy, for this calligraphy, he invited a famous calligrapher of the world from Iran. His name was Amanat Khan Shirazi. Shirazi was paid 10 times more money. He came here, he selected special chapters and used black onyx. This
And is
black
that what chapter from
chapter
Quran?
from Quran, ma'am. Onyx, they bring this onyx from Belgium, Europe. Red stone you can see there, cornelian from Yemen. Green stone you can see there, malachite from South Africa. Yellow jasper from India. And from Sri Lanka, from Afghanistan, everywhere. Okay, so be in a, yes, you ask some question.
How long was this one king for?
From 1658 to 1707, the rise of the Aurangzeb started the fall of the Mughal Empire, because Aurangzeb policies were different from the rest of the king's policies. That we can discuss in car, in the bus later. I can tell you about him, some more thing about him. We can go there, we can cover our shoes, and then our ticket will be checked again there.
Okay.
Because I think you pay 200 rupees extra for, I saw one ticket 200 rupees for the mausoleum.
Yeah.
So we can go there, first ticket check there, and then you can go there. So be in a group and don't take pictures inside.
Okay.
You can take outside, and please come with me.
Okay.
You can go there.
This is the story. Couple
Very good.
Very good. This is a beautiful story. Guide said.
Come please.
Come, let's go. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನು ಮುಂದಿಂದ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಒಳಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ಸ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಏನು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಲೋ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇದೆ. ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನನಗೇನೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವ್ಯೂ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದ ಹತ್ತಿರದ ವ್ಯೂ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ತಗೋಬೋದು, ಒಳಗೆ ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ ಆರ್ಕಿಟೆಕ್ಚರ್ನ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಏನೇ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದೇರ್. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಬರೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಬರೋಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಡ್, ಸೊ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್.
ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀಯಲ್ಲ ರ್ಯಾಂಡಮ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಆದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಆಗ್ರಾ ಫೋರ್ಟ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೂರದಲ್ಲಿದೆ.
ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಅಂತ. ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಮಾನ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಗ್ರಾ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಸನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಜೈಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಧಿಸಿದಾಗ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಮುನಾ ನದಿ. ಆ ಗಾರ್ಡನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಂತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಮಗಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೇನೆ ಈ ತಾಜ್ ಮಹಲಲ್ಲೇ ಸಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Hi Sahil.
And on Friday, because Taj Mahal remains closed on Friday, the only place from where you can.
Tell the story, baby.
Hello?
Hello.
Anybody in there?
Yeah, you can tell me the story now. I'll record it. Tell the story.
So, all I know is the king and the queen and the second king's kids died.
Oh, they died?
Yeah, they died.
Oh, what happened to the building then? They are inside the building? They're buried inside?
Yeah, because he was too old.
Oh, okay.
And then the king kills his brother like with a sword.
Oh, they killed with a sword? Who killed with a sword? King is killed with a sword?
The second king.
Second king killed with a sword?
Yeah, like the king, the smaller king. He killed his brothers.
Oh, they killed the head? Brother's head has been cut?
Yeah, he just chopped off his legs.
No, chop them his legs.
And chopped out his chin.
Come, let's go now.
Yeah,
Good
we
job,
saw
baby.
it.
You know story very nicely.
Animal.
We are going back to ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ರಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವಿರೋ ಹೋಟ್ಲಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನೇ ಕೂತಿರೋದು. ನಾನು ಕೆಲಾಕ್ಸು ಡೋನಟ್ ಏನು ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಇದು ಮಸ್ಕ್ ಮೆಲನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೆಲನ್ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಅವ್ರವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಹಾಕೊಂಬರೋದು. Pillu Kumba, what did you had now? They had the best breakfast. Huh? Did you like the breakfast? Slowly?